How to apply Pol y StepGuard with Antiskid. In this video, we're going to see how the application of Poly StepGuard takes place. The first step is to trim all the edges with a 6-inch by 3-inch paint pad. The process will avoid wrapping all the walls and making the project move faster. It's the easiest way to do it and with less strain. The next step after this is going to be to make sure that as you apply the edge, that you leave no white spots or lines on it, to make sure that when it dries it doesn't leave some white spots. So you can see here that he's actually going over several times on it to make sure that everything is nice, ready to clear up as it dries. The product will dry clear as you apply it. The next step that we're going to see is how to roll out the floor. So once you get all your edges done, and then it's time to do the rest of the floor. So what we do is we pour about 4 to 6 feet on the floor of the Poly StepGuard with Antiskid, and then we spread it, as you can see, across, and then we start spreading it probably about maybe 4 foot space in height, and then about 6 feet in length, or however amount you pour. The key to it is to roll slow. You want to do it slow and take your time. You can use a 9-inch roller or you can use an 18-inch roller, depends on the size of your project, it doesn't matter, but it does have to be a 1/4 inch nap roller to apply. As you can see, he's just going over, making sure that there is no white puddles left. As you can see from the initial roll, there is some there, so he's now spreading it out evenly throughout the floor. If you can see, as he moves on to the upper part of that coating that he's applying, it already looks kind of dark. That's an area that's already been sealed. It already is clearing up and curing. What it will do in the first pass, it will make the color look rich and wet looking. It will make it glossy as you apply 1 or 2 coats of the product, and it will also apply the anti-skid as you're doing this. Here in the next part, you can see how easy it is now that you have trimmed the whole edge. You don't have to worry about rubbing the walls or painting the walls and things like that. You just basically roll it to get a nice even coating to the whole floor, and with a very effortless process to do this function. The next step that we're looking at is then again, just keep applying the product. SealGreen Pol y StepGuard was designed to make floors for safer walking. We recommend it for garage floors, inside and outside areas where the floor gets wet and may be slippery. For more information, visit www.sealgreen.com.